Do you want to know how much free crypto you can actually get with the Crypto.com mystery boxes? Then this video is for you. My name is Michael and I've used Crypto.com for a while, and I have actually so far opened 21 of the mystery boxes, and in this video I will open one more and show you exactly how to use it to get free crypto, and I'll also share my real results so you can see exactly how much you can earn from these mystery boxes. So before I log into the Crypto.com app and show you how to get these mystery boxes, then let's first make it clear that this is not a full tutorial of Crypto.com. I have that somewhere else on my channel. I will leave a link in the top corner. You can also find more tutorials below. This is instead a video where I will focus on the Crypto.com missions that can earn you mystery boxes, and you can get actually free crypto by doing this. And as you will see, I have done this many times. I'll also do it live in this video so you can see exactly how it works. So let me now log into the app, then you can see what to do. I have now logged into the Crypto.com app, and to get these mystery boxes you need to go to the missions. You can see that in the top corner. That's where it's placed anyways at the time of recording this video. You can also find them through the main menu there. But now if I just click the missions, we can go there, and that's where we can claim these free cryptos and also get the mystery boxes. So I'm now in the mission sections, and this is where we need to be to get these crypto. And you can see that every single day, just by logging in, you can go and unlock and claim one free diamond. And these are the ones that I currently have. And that's what you can use to get mystery boxes. So I just need to click to unlock once a day. And you can see then I got one where it says store 1 diamond, because now I have a diamond here, but I need to click there to store it so it gets up here. Right now it says 28, and then I click it, and then it is 1 diamond I have redeemed, and you can see now I have 29. That's one way, very easy every single day. But there are other ways to also do this. You can see there are daily exploration and onboarding, and these tasks, they've expanded a lot since I first started using the Crypto.com missions. But you can see that you can claim it free every day, but there's also something every time there, once per day, that you sell or buy crypto for minimum $20, you will get 5 diamonds. You see, if you do it in a day, like 500 there, you'll get 60 diamonds. So you can, get quite a lot like that. If we go to the exploration there, there's some different small tasks also you set, like these different targets or whatever, you do these, then you will earn more. Also onboarding, you see there's some different other things you can do to get more of these diamonds. And also if you scroll down a little bit, they have sometimes down here, they have a university also you can access. Right now it's something else that's showed there, but this is in general also where you can find some different information about the crypto university and earn there. I have a full video about the Crypto.com university. I'll leave a link in the top corner so you can also check that out. But this is basically how it is. By just using the app, then you will earn these free diamonds. So how do you then get the mystery boxes and actually free crypto instead of just the diamonds? Let's go over that next. So once you have diamonds, you can go to the store and you can choose to just build up diamonds. You can see you can get some different things, sometimes like a stadium tour or some jerseys or some NFTs. The rewards here vary, but the mystery boxes here, you see you need 25 diamonds to get 1 mystery box. So I have that now. I will click the mystery box there. You see, then you can get Crow reward. Crow is Crypto.com's own cryptocurrency, and you will get something from these boxes there. And now I just redeemed one of them there with 25 diamonds, and you see I got a silver box. There are different boxes. There's bronze, silver, gold, and platinum. And which one you get, you don't know. Of course, the gold will give more than the silver, etc. there. So the majority of the ones that I've gotten, as I will also show you, are silver boxes. I'll show you all the ones that I got so you can see what I overall earned. But now I just tap it and then it opens, and then you see I got 5.8 Crow. That's pretty good. I just used the app as I would anyways, and then I got some extra free crypto like this. And then you have them, you can redeem more prices, or you can see there's the withdraw Crow, because I can go here, and then I actually right now, if I close it, you can see also if I go out, there's something called the vault, and that's where I just were there. If I'm here, you see this is what I have. So right now it's my vault here. I can withdraw, then it goes into my Crow wallet inside Crypto.com. So that's just what I need to do there. And then I have the free crypto. You can do with it what you want. You can put it in the earning section so you can earn interest. You can take it out. You can swap it to other crypto, or you can just hold on to it until it grows in value if you want to. That's completely up to you. But let's talk about how much you can overall earn and how much I have earned after now redeeming 22 of these mystery boxes. So if I go to the history, I can show you exactly how much I earned for each of the mystery boxes that I have actually opened. What I first want to make clear is that, as mentioned, there are different mystery boxes. The majority I've gotten are silver. You can also get gold and platinum, and potentially, that's what they say, you can get up to the value of $1,100 worth of Crow if you're really, really lucky. I have unfortunately not been this lucky, but you know, if you've done this yourself, please share below the highest amount that you got from this, because that would definitely be great to know. But in general, that's not something you should aim for. You can be super lucky to get higher rewards. But if we just look at the ones that I have in the history here, then we can scroll through and you can see the majority of them are silver boxes there. This withdrawal, that's because like the ones that I've earned, then I click this withdrawal button that I showed you, so it went into my actual Crow wallet. But if we scroll through, you can see silver, 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 and 1 bronze. So out of the 22 that I have now here, I have all of them almost are silver and 1 bronze, and you can see the amount there. The majority of them that are recently, you see that's somewhere between 4 and 7 Crow that I have received most times. In total, I calculated from these 22 boxes, I got 63.6 Crow. So of course, it's not something that's going to make me rich, unless of course Crow like explodes at some point. I cannot say how that would develop. It is crypto, so that is at your own responsibility if you invest in any kind of crypto. But what I like is that I really like the Crypto.com app anyways, because it's so user-friendly. It has many great features, and it's also really great for beginners. And then when I use it anyways, why not just get a little bit of extra free crypto? Most of the things are things that I just done anyways. You know, if I buy for minimum $20 of crypto, it's just like, oh, here, you know, 5 diamonds, and I just go in one single day. I go into the app anyways to keep an eye on the market. Then I can just click there to unlock. You get a free diamond every single day just by doing that. So if you're using the Crypto.com app anyways, or are planning to, then this can definitely be something that I would look into and make sure to check out to get some extra free crypto. So in my opinion, the Crypto.com mystery boxes are quite interesting, and you can potentially, if you're really lucky, win very great rewards. But in general, you should expect small amounts, but it's for things you're doing anyways. You should not join Crypto.com just to get access to the missions. That doesn't make sense in my opinion. It is if you're interested in crypto anyways, then the Crypto.com app is really great. One of my favorite apps for crypto actually. And as mentioned, I have a full tutorial also that you can find a link to in the top corner of this video. And if you decide to use it, then definitely checking out these missions, getting these mystery boxes is something worth doing. And if you're not yet a member, you can get a $25 joining bonus when you live up to certain requirements. To get that, you need to join through an invitation link. I will leave mine below where you can also find my code. So if you use that, you will get a bonus once you live up to certain requirements. So you can also get that extra free crypto if you decide to use Crypto.com. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.